I need to put water in here. And the water dispenser. You're not finished eating now. You need to take a bath now.
Can I have my strawberry now and done?
You done eating? Drink mo na water. Dali. Kera. But you need to drink water muna. Water muna, water. You have bound strawberry also. I'll put in your bound. Kera. The strawberry is there. I need to put this up. I need to put it in my lap before I put it here. This is too heavy. I cannot carry. Dito daan. Too heavy. You're done eating na? See? This is the water dispenser that I need to put the water on top. It's hard to put because it's too heavy. That's why I need to climb up to the chair and put the water in my lap and then put it in the water dispenser.